Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove any watermark from your video using CapCut. Okay, so let's assume you got a video maybe from TikTok, and after downloading it, it has a TikTok watermark. And to make matters worse, those videos also have TikTok outros, so when the video is done you'll see TikTok at the end and even watermarks of TikTok when the video is playing. So to remove that, we have to go to our CapCut. Okay, so for those who don't have CapCut, please download it. Okay, so you come to new project over here. Okay, so I'll select the video that I downloaded from TikTok. So I'll scroll down until I reach this video. This is a video I downloaded from TikTok. Then I come and tap on add. Okay, so let's wait for the video to load. Okay, so this is our video and it's playing. Okay, so as you can see, this is a TikTok watermark over here and it changes, then it comes down here. Okay, so this is the watermark I'm talking about. Then at the end you see this is the outro of TikTok. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you how to remove these things. Okay, so first and foremost, what you need to do is to drag this video. Okay, so how to drag: tap in the video with your two fingers. Okay, then pull to the sides. Okay, you can tap within the video when it's playing, then you pull to the sides. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so you tap in the video. Okay, you tap in the timeline of video. First of all, this is a video timeline. Okay, so after tapping in the video timeline, come and tap in the video itself with two fingers, then you pull at the sides. Okay, you just adjust it a little bit. Okay, you adjust so that the TikTok watermark disappears. As you can see, if I play from here, you won't be seeing the TikTok watermark, which was up here, then even now it was down. Okay, as you can see, the TikTok watermark isn't there. Okay, so at the end, to remove this TikTok outro, you're going to come here where the TikTok outro comes from. Okay, then you're going to split from here. You split from there. Okay, so this is a split icon. You split. Okay, so when you split, you come and remove this last part. You tap on the last part, then come and tap on delete. Okay, so you delete the last part and you also delete the ending like that. Okay, so when I play this video, there is no TikTok watermark. Okay, and when the video comes to an end, there is no TikTok outro. Okay, so that's how to remove watermark using CapCut. Thank you for watching.